Hey everybody, Angira here. This is my first cooking video. Let's see how this goes. So here we have today, I'm going to be making freezer make ahead meal prep sandwiches. Um, my life is so busy right now and I'll be leaving out of town for a couple of weeks. To visit my niece in India, and I was wondering what to do for my husband's lunches. So these are make ahead, easy to do, very convenient. I based it off another video I saw, which I'll put in the links below. So here we have pressure cooked chicken. I just took chicken, put it in the Instant Pot, and I'll make a separate video to show you how I did that, but I just roasted some chicken in the pressure cooker, and I have sliced cheddar cheese. I have whole wheat bread from Trader Joe's, just regular sliced bread, and I sauteed some onions, bell peppers, garlic, and some habanero chilies. Just stir fried it in a little bit of olive oil, and I added some of my own spices. You can be creative. I added paprika, salt, pepper, and a little bit of cumin powder, but you can do it as per your taste. I tried to make it as dry as possible because the whole idea of the freezer sandwiches is you put them in the freezer, you take them out the night before, and you let them thaw. So you don't want the fillings to be juicy or wet or anything that would make the bread soggy. So I kind of kept it dry on the dry side. And you can go creative with the veggies as well, whatever you like. There are certain veggies that don't freeze well, like lettuce, tomatoes, things like that. So I did a little bit of research, and basically bell peppers, onions, garlic, that's should be fine. I've heard spinach does really well in the freezer. I would think sauteed mushrooms, but I'll have to check on that because they do hold a lot of water. So, but this is my first video, so this is where we're at. Onions, bell peppers, garlic. And what you do is you just take regular normal sliced bread. What I did was, in order to prevent the fillings from seeping into the sandwich, you just line the bread with a little bit of butter. Just spread it on like you would regular butter. And then I lined the bread with cheese, sliced cheese. So that's a layer of cheddar cheese that you see here. And I just put 3 slices just to make it, that's just the shape of the cheese. Then I added my vegetable fillings, and I added my roasted chicken. I put in a light dash of salt, and there you go. That's basically your sandwich. I fold them in half, like put the sandwich together, and I put them on wax paper. This is just one done sandwich that I've already wrapped, and you just put them in the freezer and he can just grab them as he needs. So that's basically the freezer sandwich that I'm showing you today. I hope you liked my video. I am a vegan, but I do cook chicken and non-veg for my husband. So this video just happens to be non-veg, but you can look forward to a lot of videos focusing on vegan food. I know my husband loves it because it's so healthy and it's really good on his stomach. And I, of course, love vegan. So you can look forward to that for my channel. And if you have any recommendations, suggestions, feedback, please feel free to add them in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye!